Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off your iPhone screen if for some reason it won't turn off. Now if you've locked your phone but it is still lit up showing the time and showing some notifications, I'll show you how you can stop this. So I'm not sure why Apple have created this as a feature, but anyway, to stop it what we're going to do is go into settings and then you want to scroll down until you see display and brightness. So we're just going to give that a press and then we're going to come down, and then as you can see we've got this always on display and that's currently showing us on. So we're always on display, so it dims the lock screen while keeping information like the time and widgets and notifications visible. So we're going to press that, and then what you want to do is always on display, we want to toggle that to off, and then that should now, when you lock your phone, it should be black and nothing should be showing for you. I hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.